This is the continuation or the part 2 of our Jin De Chen temple. A very nice temple which is still under renovation. The view of the lake looking out from the peak point is the best place to sit and chill. We chanced upon this place quite by accident, and frankly, yes, we have no plan to come and visit here, but we found it to be idyllic and peaceful, a place of worship, but also nice place to enjoy the view overlooking the nearby lake with the serenade of the bell tinkling
This is not
in the breeze.
Manglembu. Daddy say this is Lahat. There, you can see. We are in the top of the mountain. You can see the Lahat area. Lahat is a small town here in Ipoh. See up. Very nice lantern. The Chinese lantern. Wow, mommy feeling dizzy. Oh. Very nice. Oh, so breathtaking view. We are on the top of the mountain with this place called what, Daddy? Called a temple? Daddy also don't know. Daddy knows only to come here because he saw he passed here. You can sit. Nice place to sit. Very nice, huh? Everywhere you can sit down and relax. Stop. Just like this.
This is a peaceful place on hilltop, can view part of Ipoh City.
This is actually the center of this park. And in the middle, there is the temple. I don't know. I must research first what is the name of the temple. We are here in the middle now. Very hot, oh. Even like this, not big the sunlight. You can see here in the side, the Dragon Tower. There. Have one big one here. Down there, they are putting some more plants, planting plants for the public to see. Very big the space also if you want to come. This is open for public and you can relax and sit down here. If you're not a Buddhist, you can drop by only and have a picture or a videos just like me, getting some nice videos here because you see the breathtaking view, the mountains there around us. Yeah, very nice. Nice place. This is a new one, I think, because you can see all the materials that they use are still new.
So fresh the air, clean and awesome view from the hilltop.
Busy putting the plants there.
peaceful place. I could not resist myself from staring at the blue sky with the horizon, splitting the land and the sky. While sitting on a bench earlier, I saw some people jogging around or walking, tracking the trail. Most importantly, the place is clean and non-crowded at all. This is the main temple, main entry. 7 years is new. 2017. This is new one lah. Not that old. The other century already ma. You wanna? The one na. We never go inside, we just outside only of the temple. This is a small Taoist temple but neat and clean. There are some worshippers inside, mostly Chinese, and they are worshipping there. Really a great place with beautiful environment. I love it here. They can go down, go down. We will look what is down there. Going up only very susa. We will go down here. We'll try and see what is down there. Going down and go up. I don't know how. Be careful. And the stairs. Down here is the guard sign. For vegetarian people. This is their incense putting. Really a scenic area, convenient for hiking halfway up the mountain and at rest stops. Suitable for jogging, walking, hiking while enjoying the beauty of nature. I will go up already. I don't know, my husband go down there some more. I don't want to go down some more because it's very difficult to go up again. We're down. We'll try slowly to go up because our car is parking at the top of the mountain. At the top of this mountain. This is actually a mountain. They make the temple here. This is, Daddy said, is 7 years old only. So just make only few years back. The bamboo. Oh, you see, like this, even though I love adventure, because I'm operated so many times, it's difficult for me to walk, you know. Like this, you will go up. I will show to you. You see, going up the So hard for me already. Up there is the top and our parking is there. So for me it's very difficult already to climb. We'll go back to our parking area of our car. This is the thing that I'm telling. Very easy to go down, but going up is very hard. Slowly lah. Still can make it. Daddy is up there already. Remain me here because I love to do videos. There. I reached the top already. Congratulations. Already. Daddy. We'll go back already. This is our car. Okay, I'll go inside. Very hot. Wait a bit. I'm sweating a lot. I burned so many fats today. Success. We're going already. We do an exercise already. Burn our fats. So many calories I burn. Going up and down, walk. Oh, not always have the chance and time to do like this. You can see. This is the arc, the gate of this place.